Hi there, students. To be gunning for something, or to be gunning for somebody. Now, in most of the dictionaries it comes in as to gun for, but nearly all of the examples are gunning for in the present continuous tense. So if you're gunning for something, you're really trying very, very, very hard to get it. So he's gunning for that promotion. He's gunning for that contract. He's gunning for that girl. He's trying to win, trying to get. United are gunning for a fourth win in a row. It's like you're shooting for, trying to hit, trying to get. And then if you're gunning for somebody, you're trying really hard to hurt them, to defeat them. So, since I lost that contract, the boss has been gunning for me. So notice, present perfect continuous. He has been gunning for me. He's trying to hurt me. He's finding things wrong in everything I do. So if somebody is gunning for you, they're making a great effort. They're doing everything they can to hurt you or to defeat you. Okay, so he's been gunning for me since the day he came to this job. He wants my job. Okay, so to strive for the downfall of somebody, to try to destroy somebody. It's literally, well, it could be, he's gunning for me. He's literally trying to shoot me with a gun. Yeah? And I guess you could say, yes, there are snipers gunning for us. But if somebody is gunning for me, they want to take your position. They want to get rid of you. He's gunning for my position in the company. Or maybe to bring somebody to justice. The police are gunning for the person who committed the crime. The authorities are gunning for this gangster. They really want to get him. The government is gunning for companies that avoid paying taxes. Okay, so gunning for something, to work hard in the pursuit of a goal. So it's slightly different. If you're gunning for someone, you want to destroy them. Yeah. Whereas if you're gunning for something, you're working hard to achieve it. Yeah. I'm gunning for that promotion. I'm gunning for that scholarship. Yeah. But maybe I'm gunning for the opposition. I'm trying to get them. I'm trying to kill them. I'm trying to knock them out. So to gun for someone, to seek out in anger. The boss is gunning for me. And to gunning for something, trying to get it, trying with all their effort to get it. So be careful, because she's jealous of you and she's gunning for you. She wants to destroy you, to overcome you. My friends were all in this case gunning for me. They were encouraging me when I ran in the race. My friends were all gunning for me when I ran in the race. They were gunning for my victory in the race. So to encourage, to support. Yeah. Everybody in the office is gunning for the same promotion. So it's going to be difficult. So to gun for someone, to try to hurt them, to gun for something, to make a great effort to obtain it. Okay, so somebody's gunning for you. They're trying to find a way to harm you, to cause trouble. Yeah. If somebody's is gunning for something, they're trying earnestly, sincerely, with all their might to get something. So let's see. Origin. Well, gun as in to shoot. So you're shooting for, it's the target. But I think if you're gunning for someone, you want to shoot and kill them. And if you're gunning for something, you want to hit the target in the center and be successful. Let's see, I would give this a 4.5 in formality, using formally, using a semi-formal conversation, using a semi-formal writing, but not something formal. And notice, I'm gunning for him, I'm gunning for it. This is an inseparable phrasal verb, not gun him for or gun it for. Gunning for somebody, gunning for it, inseparable. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Gunning for someone, gunning for something, gun for.